Hi, everybody. Thanks for coming to the Cluster API v1.12 release team sync meeting. Um, it's the 30th of September. Pratik got stuck in a meeting, so I'm happy to run the meeting for now. As I'm sure everybody knows, we are working with Cluster API, so we're part of SIG Cluster Lifecycle, and therefore this is a Kubernetes community meeting. And you all know that what that means, but basically let's try and make this welcoming. Make sure everybody has a chance to participate and gets heard, etc. If you want to put your name on the attendees list, go for it. And with that, check in on the next milestones, which is basically today is week 7. I think it's a little hard to sync this up without the dates on them, but I think today we're doing 1.10.7 and 1.11.2 are the releases. So let me check in with the CI team. Arshad, are we looking okay? How are things going?
Yeah, Max, things are good from CI side. So there are only, I think, one major issue that is reoccurring. So that I think we discussed last time also, and I'm working on that actually. So trying to figure it out why the basically that issue is coming up, and it's a tricky issue actually. We need to. It's not some kind of error or bug is there. It's just in the logs we won't get any error or anything. There are a lot of reconciliation is happening, so we need to figure it out why the reconciliations are happening for some objects. So I think I what I did from last week is I tried to reproduce that issue in the local. It is not possible to reproduce it in local. So then what I did is raised a PR and dummy PR to reproduce that issue. So there I'm able to reproduce, and there I'm debugging it further. So yeah, I'll be updating on the issue, all the details I get, and I'll be getting help from the maintainer. Uh, yeah, I'll continue on that issue. Yeah,
Is this that revision out of sync
yeah,
thing where
object.
yeah,
Yeah, object version is did not say stable. Yeah, that one.
right. Yeah, that
Yeah,
seems very, very tricky. Good for you
yeah,
for
yeah,
digging into it. And
yeah,
that's been around forever, yeah. I don't know why.
yeah. So till now, whatever I was debug is there are two scenarios that are coming in. One is when the control machine for the control machine, the it says that the version is changed, and second is the worker machine. It says that mm, for that also. So if you see from the machine, it goes to the control plane, and then it goes to the cluster object. So all three object, it will say that the version is changed, but the main issue is the base object is the machine object is changed. Because of that, the cluster and control plane objects also it's showing changed. So that is my initial analysis. So I'm just confirming that. So I'll be putting this on the issue as well. We'll be updating that. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
Awesome. Any other CI stuff anybody wants to bring up? Otherwise, Chandan, how are things with comms?
Everything goods from the comms team.
Cool.
Uh, yeah, I was just going through the release cycle, like task release cycle PR. I don't see like any date is mentioned there, so I'm not sure like which release are we going to do it today. Maybe I missed a couple of point in the beginning.
Well, I think this is today, right? We're week 7. Let me go look at the other doc. Um, Wait, where is it? Okay, it's in docs, releases. 1.12 is what we're doing. And so, yeah, so today's, no, wait. Oh, I'm wrong. I'm off by 1, huh? Is that right? No, October 7th. Okay. I am wrong. I guess we're not doing one today, are we?
Yeah, it's not mentioned. It's saying as 7th. Maybe so. It's next week.
That would be next week. Yep. Okay. I was off by one. A classic programming error. But that just means it would be more, I think it would be useful to have put actual dates on
Yeah, I think that will be more useful. Like put the actual dates on the task as well. I think
okay.
that's what we had in previous release.
Yeah, I'll nudge Pratik to bump this, to update this. Okay, well, sorry for getting everybody all excited. I guess that's probably all we have to do for today, but we're ready for next week.
Yeah.
And then we just looked at the tasks. We can check out the improvement board. Just stuff
I
still
think
in
on
progress.
improvement board, we need owners, more owners to pick up the issue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anybody wants to jump in on this, make sure you assign yourself just so we don't duplicate work. But yeah, it looks like there's a few things that could use a hand. Okay, anything else anybody wants to talk about? Sounds like no. All right, cool. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next week.
Yeah. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.